Hey, after cleaning up all day and cooking all that, once you eat it, she gonna throw that shit right up in the refrigerator.
Rihanna, how could you have devil eggs still in your refrigerator after Christmas?
Hey.
You said you smelled something. Guess that's what it was.
And I don't even smell it.
And that ham. You had the ham in the refrigerator. It's Christmas.
But all I'm saying though, if he noticed it, why he don't clean it? That's all I'm saying though.
Alright, it's right there.
Man, you said she had one pork chop in a long ass pan.
This long. One pork chop in a pan this long, this wide. One pork chop.
So man,
This Christmas.
how is marriage life treating you right now?
This Christmas.
4 devil eggs in your refrigerator.
This Christmas.
Rihanna, how do you feel about this, Rihanna? You gonna be more of a good wife to your husband?
No.
You gonna keep deviled eggs in the refrigerator
I'm
for
gonna
a
make
week?
more, keep them in there to next year.
Okay.
Uh-oh.